Stop before you call a plumber and spend $150 or more on a dripping faucet. Watch this first. What if I told you that you can fix that annoying leak yourself in just a few minutes using a few basic tools? Today, I'll show you a simple DIY repair that can save you money and get your faucet working like new again. Let's get started. Step 1. Turn off the water. First, locate the shutoff valves underneath your sink. Turn both valves clockwise until they're fully closed. Now turn on the faucet briefly to release any remaining water pressure. Step 2. Remove the decorative cap using a small flathead screwdriver. Carefully pry off the decorative cap on the front or top of the faucet handle. This will expose the handle screw underneath. Step 3. Loosen the handle screw. Use the appropriate Allen wrench or screwdriver to loosen the screw. You don't usually need to remove it completely. Just loosen enough for the handle to come free. Step 4. Remove the handle. Lift the handle straight up and off the faucet body. Set it aside somewhere safe. Step 5. Remove the decorative shroud. Next, unscrew the decorative chrome cover, also called a shroud. Most can be removed by hand. If it's stuck, use pliers with cloth wrapped around the cover to protect the finish from scratches. Step 6. Remove the retaining nut. Now you'll see the retaining nut that holds the cartridge in place. Using an adjustable wrench or large pliers, carefully loosen and remove the nut. Step 7. Replace the cartridge. Pull the old cartridge straight out. Take your new replacement cartridge and align it correctly with the slots inside the faucet body. Push it firmly into place. This small part is often the main cause of leaks and drips. Step 8. Reassemble the faucet. Reinstall the retaining nut and tighten securely. Next, screw the decorative shroud back into place. Then reinstall the faucet handle. Step 9. Finish up. Tighten the handle screw. Snap the decorative cap back on. Now turn the water supply valves back on under sink. Turn on the faucet and check for leaks. If everything was installed correctly, the dripping should be gone and the faucet should operate smoothly. And just like that, problem solved. No plumber, no expensive service call. Just a quick DIY repair that saved you money. See how easy that was? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another money-saving DIY repair. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.